Dude, we got another SVR. Bro, another severe thunderstorm warning. What the heck?
Central Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, central
Yo,
Arkansas
what?
County in southeastern Arkansas until 8 p.m.
Raining off and on.
A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Elmira.
Yes, sir.
Moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard.
What the heck? Oh shoot! Another SVR. Look, another. Oh, hold up.
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles.
Look, another SVR. It's gonna be a double header.
Sighting. Entry.
It's gonna be a double header. Oh my god. Yo, another SVR got issued. What the heck? What is wrong with them? Dude, that is legit crazy right now. Let me show you something. That's a goofy out SVR polygon. Goofy out SVR polygon. Goofy out polygon be like, what the heck? This one's like literally perfect. This one's perfection.
County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, central Lincoln County in southeastern Arkansas,
Whee!
central Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas, until
Guys, this is the Wi-Fi that I have, and I'm not telling you the password.
was located over Woodville, or 13 miles.
Yeah, baby. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, they are continuing an SVR.
With gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage.
Oh my
vehicles
goodness.
expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Dude,
siding,
like
or
literally.
trees. Locations impacted include
Oh my
Dumas, Gould, Grady, Mitchellville, Woodville, Whitefield,
Dude.
Linwood, Douglas,
What is happening?
Bayou Meadow Park, Mills, Garrett Bridge,
Jesus Lord.
Gord, Tommel,
My god.
Reedville, Moscow,
Zero watching, that's terrible. Dude, what the hell?